Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your forward edge trunk. First, you can easily open the trunk from inside your vehicle using the release button, usually found on the dashboard. Alternatively, your key fob offers a convenient remote option. For manual access, there's a simple method directly on the trunk itself. We'll cover each of these straightforward approaches to ensure you can always get into your forward edge's cargo area. To use the interior release, simply locate the button on your dashboard, often near the driver's side door or steering wheel, and press it. For the key fob method, hold down the trunk release button for about 2 seconds until you hear the latch disengage. Remember, for both these methods, your vehicle should be unlocked or the ignition on for the interior button to function correctly. For manual exterior access, walk to the rear of your forward edge. Look directly above your license plate. You'll find a small, integrated handle or button. Press this firmly, and you'll hear the trunk latch release. Once unlatched, simply lift the trunk lid upwards. It should open smoothly, providing full access to your cargo space without needing the key fob or interior button. If your trunk isn't opening, first check for any obstructions around the latch or seal. Sometimes, items can prevent it from fully closing or opening. Also, ensure your vehicle's battery has enough power, as a low battery can affect electronic releases. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and more. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you easily open your forward edge trunk.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.